Here we have a Toyota RAV4 DCAT on a 2009 59 plate, 93,000 miles on the clock, finished in metallic silver. Comes with running boards, rear tints. Great example, keyless entry. Lovely set of Michelin tyres and nice alloys. Roll bar on the front with RAV4. Electric windows front and back, full leather, black leather throughout, perforated. Grey headlining. Electric seats. Automatic gearbox. There's the mileage 93,101. Car comes with sat nav, DAB radio, FM, CD, heated seats, aircon, reverse camera. It's got a really great spec. Take a look in the back. Again, electric windows, Isofix base points, full leather. Seats all fold down, giving you even more room. Parcel shelf, sliding parcel shelf. I'll give you an idea of the sort of space that you can get with the seats down. You've got lots and lots of room. Space saver. Thank you for watching.